Hey guys, checking in from Estero. About to meet with Alan Levi of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty. He's going to show us around Grandeza with 4 fantastic listings. And Alan, tell us about the area here.
Well, we've been here many times before, and I consistently tell people this is one of the best values in Southwest Florida. We have a 53,000 square foot clubhouse, and you have beautiful golf, so many activities. Now I'm going to show you and our viewers some of the great values for the money. Are you ready to take a look?
Let's go.
Beautiful Buttermere Court section of Cypress Cove within Grandeza. This home has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, beautiful swimming pool, and it's aggressively priced at $580,000. Or you can choose in the Savona section of Grandeza this lovely courtyard home with its own pool and spa, and it comes with its own cabana as well, and it's now at $409,000. Here is a beautiful custom home in the Grand Estates. This home has a huge gourmet kitchen and much more for $724,500. And this particular condo comes with its own garage, this huge kitchen, wide open kitchen, lovely great room, large master bedroom, and look at these views. This condo is under $250,000.
Alan, how can we get in touch with you?
Well, you can call me at 464-6965 or visit my website, findmyhomeinflorida.com, where you can see all of Southwest Florida, and I will give you a personal tour of Grandeza or anywhere. And thank you for coming, Tracy.